Well, one an inexpensive pick-me-up, style expert Natalie Sexton joins us with this spring's hottest beauty trends and ones that won't break the bank. So great to see you again.
Hi, Annette. I love that color on you.
Thank you.
Very,
it's my TV
very
orange.
Springy. Love it. Love it. Very on trend. Speaking of trends, let's talk about beauty trends, you know, kind of going into a new season. Spring weather is upon us, hopefully soon, which kind of gets us in the spirit of this. So there's always, you know, new trends and ones that can break the bank, but I always like to kind of find the counterpart that we can find at our local drugstore, and that's really affordable and just easy ways to kind of spruce up our daily beauty routine. So first up, we'll start off with some skincare. So here's a really great line from Olay. It's their Regenerous Collagen Peptide 24 collection. I know that's a mouthful. So what I want you to look for is collagen. There's our key word there. So that's a very sort of hot ingredient that we're seeing now in skincare because it gives you such great hydration. So the awesome thing here, kind of their signature product in this line, is their daily moisturizer. And the nice thing is you can use it day or night. So we're going to keep things really simple, but it's actually comparable to a $400 cream that's quite popular that a lot of us would know of. I'm not going to name it because we're just talking about Olay today, but we're going to see results with this in 2 weeks. It's going to make your skin firmer and it's going to make it more supple and just feel fantastic. So there is an entire line if you want to go for sort of everything, your eye cream, your, you know, day cream, you want to do a serum as well. I like that with Olay, we can kind of keep it streamlined and not have to worry about pulling from other product lines. So next up, let's talk about hair. Our hair has taken a beating through the winter months, definitely, especially if you're somebody like me who also, you know, gets color done. I use hot tools all the time. So a couple of great options from L'Oreal. First up, a really simple shampoo and conditioner combo. It's their Total Repair 5. So the great thing here is that it's going to combat those 5 signs of damage: weak, fried, brittle, tangled, and split ends. And it's formulated with keratin. So keratin is actually the most commonly searched ingredient on the internet. And what it does is it repairs the hair's natural protein. So it's going to give you that nice shine and that great boost. Again, super affordable. But if your hair is sort of like extra fried like mine might be, you might want to sort of add in another great product, again, from L'Oreal. It's their More Than Shampoo. So this one's kind of cool. So it works as a shampoo, but it also acts as a mask. So you can kind of work this into your routine. There's a regular formula. There's a formula for color and highlighted hair. And this one is actually made with 1/3 of nutritive lipids. So what that's going to do is just really hydrate, moisturize your hair. It's going to give you 3 times more softness and 2 times more detangling, which we all love. So a really great one to kind of stock up on to get you into.
Okay, so that's a mask and a shampoo. Do you have to leave it in for a little while then? How do you use it?
I like to. So I would say that's a great question with a conditioner or with something like this. Maybe leave it in for sort of an extra 60 seconds if you can.
Okay.
In the shower. It's just going to hydrate more. And then you want to keep it a little away from your root though, because sometimes we get a little bit of buildup there. So kind of about an inch or 2 from the root down and really work it into those ends.
Okay.
Okay, so let's talk smile. So we've all sort of been, you know, very up close and personal on Zoom and Skype these days. So of course we want a white, bright smile, but something that we kind of forget about sometimes is our gum health. So here's a really great new product from Colgate. So it's their Gum Renewal Revitalized Toothpaste. So, you know, gum damage actually occurs kind of gradually over time. So we may not notice it until it's too late. So just adding this into your regular routine is going to help reverse early gum damage. It's also vegan, it's gluten-free, it's sugar-free. Doesn't it look really pretty too?
It does, but I'm distracted by your dog. What is the dog doing?
What is he doing? Oh my, you know why?
Looks like he might have eaten
treats.
Ah, there you go. He's
there
very interested in this segment. Okay, sorry about that. We have a minute left, they're telling me.
That's okay. That's okay. He wants to brush his teeth apparently, right?
There we go.
Well, I've got to leave you with a little bit of makeup too. So a really great line, super affordable that you're going to find again at your drugstore is NYX. So a couple of products under $20. Let's talk lips and eyebrows. So I've got their High Shine Lip Color. Really beautiful color. And what I love about this, Annette, is it's mask proof. So you're going to get 16-hour wear here. I have actually done this. It's on my TikTok. You can see me putting on that beautiful red, putting my mask on, taking it off. There's no color transfer whatsoever, but it doesn't dry your lip out. And then they have a Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen. It's all about brows. You know, we're seeing like bold brows. Okay. Exactly, brows for sure. Great one, again, under $15, okay. And there's like 10 shades.
Thank you, Natalie. Have a great weekend, you and your little dog.
Bye.